So if we take the God principle out of God, I now mean the God principle, I mean the personified or anthropomorphic understanding of God, as a little man that's orchestrating all of this, then we begin to understand that we can never, ever quantify God into the limited context that we presently operate under at this time. Therefore, once we abandon the confinement of God, we now develop and evolve. Because it is in our confinement of the concept of God into this pigeonholed, these symbols that we have of God as these cloistered contexts that keep us from developing. When we destroy that, then nature speaks to us in all of the different harmonies. When you go to see a classical music played, it ain't just the violin section playing, it ain't just the cymbals, the drums, the piano, it ain't that. It is a harmonizing, and that's what man is. Man is not only the instrument, but the musician of the music of order. And it is through our thought process that we begin to bring order. That is the music. When thought is in order with all things, cosmological. When intelligence is filtered through an intelligent being, one open to intelligence, and not just through the stultified dead letter word.